Welcome to the Capstone 2010. This is the first time that we are offering this course in the Bachelor of Supervision and Management here at Florida State College at Jacksonville. And we are very excited because this is also the first time that we're trying to do a video to give you an overview of what is this course. If you go to my blog at www.managementadventures.org, you're going to find the slide that gives you an overview of the course. At the same time, you are going to find the same information inside your Blackboard. The idea of posting these videos and these explanations inside Blackboard and outside is that you have different options to find the information that you need for the capstone. The capstone is the top level course that integrates all your knowledge in management. So for this reason, you are here. And one of the first questions we ask you is, where are you now? And this is why you need to go to Blackboard and start participating on the first discussion questions. Of course, I will use this video in the online component of the course and also in class. When you come to the classroom, you will see that I will explain the same that I am doing in this short overview. If you go to the syllabus in the Blackboard, you are going to find the different components. This is not an easy course. This is a challenge for you. And as a challenge, you have to plan ahead what are you going to do with the different components. The first component of the course is coming to class. So you're going to come to class every week and participate in several discussions with guest speakers and other meetings where you are going to do the classes. Now it's time for you to teach back to the others and share what you have learned in the different courses. So you're going to find in the syllabus that the first component is the individual case study. You have to get a case that is going to be assigned by your instructor, and then you're going to follow a model to develop your case, analyze a problem, present some solutions, and then do a presentation of your case study. Your case study is going to have two components: a written component that is going to be evaluated by a team of professors to see how are your writing style and how you are learning to progress in the different courses. The second part is the oral presentation of your case, where you're going to do it in class, and you're going to be evaluated by your peers and by your instructor. A second very important component of this course is the individual presentation, where you are going to have several topics that you're going to select and you're going to show to your class in a specific date. You see here on the schedule, we're going to have 4 or 5 presentations per class. The topics are here also in the table: strategies, change management, human resources, leadership, customer service, marketing, decision making, ethics and law, information systems, finances, and career development. As you see, this is a combination of all the courses that you have been taking, and this is the time to integrate the knowledge and to pick the best trends, the current events on each one of these topics. The topics have to be approved by your instructor, and of course, you have to use only academic journals and approved resources. The most important part of your capstone is your capstone project. The capstone project is based on a simulation that you're going to be doing with a team of 3 or 4 members of your class. We're going to use an online simulation that is going to tell you how to manage a company for several weeks. We're going to practice the simulation, and we are going to explain all the details to be sure that you go to this challenge with a good foundation. In the team simulation, we're going to evaluate your team charter, where all the responsibilities of all the team members has to be specified, the rounds that you're going to be doing every week to see how your company is improving or not. You're going to have 2 exams that are going to be part of the simulation, a company presentation where your team members are going to show the results after all their simulation rounds, and very important, and peer evaluation. All your peers in the team are going to evaluate you. That means that no one is going to carry the project, and we're not going to have anyone resting for the others to develop their parts. Everyone in your team is going to be accountable for the results of your team project. We also want to have an update in the OPQ, the survey that you did in a previous course, and we want to see the changes. And we want to have a panel of experts explaining to you what are going to be the differences between your first test and the second one, and what are the areas where you are strong or areas where you need to modify in order to be a better manager. We also are going to have a self-awareness reflection at the end of the course that is going to help us understand how are you exiting the program and getting ready for the work or for the new job that you want to get. As you see here, we have many components. We have rubrics, points, percentages, all over the place. Of course, we're going to have some short online discussions where you're going to be some online trends, some questions related to your simulation, or some questions related to the topics that you're going to be doing. As you see here, I'm also using a very easy way to share knowledge. Some of your presentations can be done in a video using your laptop, and then an easy PowerPoint, and sharing all these resources with the rest of the class. As you see here, I explain a quick overview of the course in only 8 minutes. And you see, this is more or less the same that you're going to be doing in class for your individual presentations. So welcome to the Capstone. I hope that you are going to have a very good journey. We have spent a lot of time trying to put all the pieces together. You are going to have mentors, guest speakers, and you are going to be able to shape this course in the areas that are more beneficial for you. As you see, some of you are very strong in human resources, others are strong in finances, others are strong in management, in general operations, logistics, communications, and you're going to see here that you're going to find 1 or 2 areas that are going to be very important to you. So see you in class. If you have any questions, remember, post in Blackboard, and always I will be around to help you arrive successfully to your port. See you later.